Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I'll be doing a review over the wireless handheld vacuum cleaner that I got off Amazon. This thing is rechargeable via Type-C. It's supposed to have really good suction, all kinds of different features with it. So let's go ahead and get unboxed and see everything that we've got in here. Alrighty guys, that is what it looks like. I'm gonna give you kind of a full spin here. You got a nice handle here. This is probably where the battery's at. Your control is gonna be this one button up here. You've got your tip here. This is where it's going to be sucking it in. You've got multiple different ends that you can go through. So you've got this brush style. You've got more of a style like this. You've got an extension that you can use to attach that with, which also includes another one of those standard wands style. You've got a spare filter, and you've got the adapters for the hoses that I showed you earlier. Also comes with a charger cord. This is going to be about a 3-foot charger cord, and it includes a brick. This is going to be USB Type A, so it'll be USB Type A to USB Type C. And then for the actual charging port, it charges on the base of the vacuum there. As far as the features goes, this is going to be the one click to dump the dust. You press that, it pops that out the bottom. It's going to fall out just like that. To change the filter, you twist and unlock just like that, and that is how you would pull the filter out via that little tab that's right here. You just pull that out just like that. I'm not going to pull it out for this, but that is how you would pull that portion of it out, and then to install it back, just put that back on there, twist and lock, you're good to go. So for example, say we just want to use this one. It's literally just going to be slide that on there just like that. To turn it on, going to press and hold the button just like that, and this thing has really good suction. To shut it off, you're just going to press and hold the power button again, just like that, and it's going to shut it off. So it's pulling the air in through here. It exhausts after it's filtered everything out the bottom side here. So air is going to be coming out this bottom side. As you can see with this portion, this little flap that's in here, it prevents dust from coming back out. So if you're air sucking in this way, it's going to come in, but it's going to prevent stuff from being able to fall back out whenever there's pressure on it. So this actually has 2 different speed modes. So when you press and hold the power button like this, you've got speed 1. You press it again and you've got the highest setting, and this thing has a lot of suction power to it. It is very high power. It has quite a bit of suction power for that size of vacuum. I'm extremely impressed. To shut it off, you just press and hold the power button just like that, and it will shut it off. But that is what she looks like, guys. Very impressed with this handheld cordless vacuum cleaner. If you guys are looking for a great vacuum cleaner to keep inside your car, just clean up simple messes that are around the car, crumbs and stuff like that, or if you want to use it around your house in spaces that don't really a vacuum cleaner work very well with, this will be perfect for you guys. Very, very impressed with it. Can't wait to have this inside my wife's car because she's always making a mess in there. But if you guys are looking for a great, high quality wireless vacuum cleaner, I highly recommend you guys checking this one out.